You ever notice how quiet starts to feel different after life has been loud for too long? There was a time when silence made me nervous. I thought something was wrong whenever things weren't chaotic. But with time, I learned peace isn't the absence of noise, it's the understanding of it. Funny thing is, once you start carrying peace, people notice. They see the calm on your face and think it's a gift you woke up with. No one asks about the nights you couldn't sleep, the people you had to distance yourself from, or the parts of you that had to break before peace finally found a place to sit. And when you finally get that peace, that sacred silence that feels like home, someone always shows up with noise, acting like they have a right to enter. They don't. Peace isn't public property, it's personal victory. Welcome to Zeniro, where stillness becomes strength, and every word is a reminder that peace was never lost, only forgotten. There was a period in my life when I said yes to everything and everyone. I thought being available made me kind, but it didn't. It just made me tired. Some people don't want solutions. They just want somewhere to drop their storms. And if you're not careful, they'll use your calm as their dumping ground. You know the type. They say, "I just needed someone to talk to." But somehow, every conversation leaves you feeling like you've been carrying bricks. That's when I realized something. You can't keep healing from people you didn't hurt. You can't keep welcoming noise just because it used to feel normal. Familiar isn't always safe. Sometimes it's just a loop, and peace begins when you finally stop replaying it. I remember once a message came in from someone who always brought confusion. For years, I would drop everything to respond, but that day, I didn't. I looked at the screen, smelled, and placed the phone down. Hours later, another message came. "You've changed." And in that moment, I realized, yes, I have. Peace changes you. It makes you slower to argue, quicker to leave. It teaches you that silence can speak louder than 1,000 explanations. That day, I didn't feel guilty for protecting my space. I felt free. Sometimes growth looks like not replying. Sometimes peace sounds like nothing at all. Peace is not about isolation. It's about discernment, knowing who deserves your energy, your time, and your silence. You can love people deeply and still love yourself enough to keep distance, because love without boundaries will empty you faster than hate ever could. Some people confuse calmness with weakness. They think because you don't react, you don't care. But that's not true. You just learned that reacting isn't always required. Protect your peace the way a gatekeeper guards a temple, with grace, with patience, but with firmness too, because not everyone who knocks deserves to come in. Some only visit to rearrange what took you years to organize. Here's what experience taught me: the calm you carry. You fought for it. You cried for it. You worked for it. Don't hand it back to anyone who didn't help you build it. Your peace is sacred. It's the quiet reward for every storm you've survived, and it deserves protection. If someone doesn't know how to act in your calm, it's okay to close the gate gently and walk back into your own stillness, because peace isn't something you share with everyone. It's something you preserve for the ones who understand silence without feeling the need to fill it. Peace is expensive, and after everything you've been through, you've already paid full price. Never offer it on discount again. Peace, my friend, isn't something the world gives you, it's something you build within yourself. And once you've built it, protect it. Let your calm be sacred ground, not a public park. And if this video reminded you of someone, or maybe reminded you of yourself, then take a moment to breathe, reflect, drop your experience on the comment section so that other viewers can learn from it. This is what Zeniro is all about, learning to live gently even when the world is loud. There are more stories waiting, quiet ones, honest ones. Be sure to subscribe to Zeniro and turn on the notification button so that you will be the first to get notified when we drop another video, the kind that help you guard your peace a little better each day.